Stuart Clark, our park president for Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay, and Adventure Island.
It's always hard talking after May because she's so much taller than I am. So, hey, thank you all for coming out tonight. Thank you for sharing this special announcement, this special evening with us, right? How about it? Busch Gardens, 60 years old this month. So I'd be remiss if I didn't at first thank our culinary team. You've all been enjoying what our guests are going to enjoy for the special 60th. So how about a big round of applause for our culinary team back there? You know, since we opened our doors back in 1959, we've been making history with exceptional guest experiences, right? Many of them which you're all very, very familiar with. An impressive lineup of adrenaline-pumping attractions. We've definitely earned our title, right, as Florida's thrill ride leader. You know, we offer everything from the smallest little guests who maybe take that very first coaster ride on Air Grover to, of course, some thrill seekers like this year coming out for our latest ride that'll open later this year, Tigris, which is just going to be an amazing, amazing attraction. But Busch Gardens is more than that. You know, for the last 60 years, it's more than just thrill rides. It's also all about animals, right? It's about creating the perfect experience where a family can come and enjoy animals, they can come and enjoy rides. There's something here for everyone. In fact, we have been, and we're still, one of the largest zoos in North America. And we're so proud of our team, not only for the work they do every day in inspiring our guests, but something a lot of people don't realize is out in that zoo hospital, our vets work tirelessly every day, and they've rescued and rehabilitated thousands of animals. So that's thousands of animals that have a second chance at life today because of those great vets. So we're really, really proud of those folks. Last year, we were also proud of the fact that American Humane, and for those of you who don't know American Humane, they're the world's largest certifier of animals' welfare and well-being. They're the people that do the, no animals harmed in the making of this motion picture. They're very, very well known. They've been around for hundreds of years. They were really proud to announce last year that Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay had earned the Humane Certified Seal. Isn't that great? Now that Humane Certified Seal is actually something that only about 24 other zoos in the United States have. So, you know, as being Florida's first, I'll say we're Florida's first real theme park, right? So as Florida's first real theme park, we're very, very proud of the legacy that we've built. We're very, very proud of entertaining visitors, millions of visitors from all over the world. And it doesn't go unnoticed by our friends from the city of Tampa. In fact, later tonight, right after this, and you can join us out on Gwazi Field, we're going to be acknowledged, and we're going to have a proclamation from the city of Tampa. We're going to hear about that in a few minutes, and it'll be known that March will be furthermore known as Busch Gardens Month. Isn't that fantastic? So Councilman Luis Vieira, he's right in the back of the room back there, he's going to be presenting that proclamation to us in front of our guests out on the field. And then that's going to be right before a performance by the Florida Orchestra and a bunch of fireworks. So I hope you'll all be able to stick around for that. So, you know, obviously an anniversary, you're 60 years old, right? So we're focused a lot, and at Busch Gardens we're known for focusing a lot in the past, right? And so we brought back free beer, all those awesome things, right? Focusing in the past, but we're also looking ahead to the future. And, you know, we're always reminded that the key to the success of these parks is having something thrilling and fun for everyone. And I'd like to share something new, and it's not so new to some of our coaster enthusiasts out there, but some of the details are. So right now I'm going to bring up one of our project managers from our design and engineering team. Right now he's been working hard on Tigris each and every day out there, but we were able to pry him away from Tigris so he can tell you a little bit more about our 2020 attraction, Mr. Andrew Schaefer.
Hey, how's everybody doing tonight?
Great.
So with the launch of Tigris this spring, Busch Gardens will boast more thrills than ever. With the addition to the park, we look to create lifelong memories with all of our guests. We invite you now to take a walk through memory lane as we begin our journey to an exciting future. History is in the making at Busch Gardens.
Busch Gardens in Tampa. I'm running everywhere to move business agenda.
So we are very excited to announce the arrival of a record-breaker roller coaster in 2020 to Busch Gardens. Our newest attraction will be North America's tallest and the fastest, steepest hybrid roller coaster in the world. So working with Rocky Mountain Construction, the wood steel hybrid coaster will feature a maximum height of over 200 feet tall, as well as all new thrill elements. The future of our park is very thrilling, and we look forward to sharing all these exciting details with you, and as the excitement builds at Busch Gardens, Tampa Bay. Thank you everyone for joining us this evening, and thanks for joining us for the ride.